Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I want to show you how you can recommend subscription products on Shopify. For this one, we will be using Recomma, which we will connect with Recharge, and we'll also show you how you can create subscription plans for your product to help you boost your sales. So if you're ready, let's get started. Well, first things first, what you need to do is obviously install Recomma. For that, just go to your Shopify App Store, search up Recomma, find it right here, and then you're going to click install. For me, it says open because I already do have it installed. And you're going to do the same thing with Recharge. Once you click open for Recomma, this is the page that it will take you. This is where all of our quizzes are. If you want to create a new one, you're going to click add new quiz. But for now, let's just go back to Recharge and see what it looks like. Okay, so this is what our store looks like for now. This is after I connected our store to our Recharge. The products automatically transfer themselves to here, so you don't have to do that manually or take an extra step for that. But let me show you how you can add a subscription plan to an already existing product of your own from Shopify that was already imported. So you're going to go to your products right here. And this is all of our products. You're going to look up the one that you want. Let's say I want this specific eye cream. This one, and I want to create a subscription plan for this specific product, and I want this product to be shipped to the customer every month, for example, or once a month. What I have to do for that, I have to just click create plans right here under subscription plans, and then we're going to click create another plan or add another plan. This is what we're going to have to go with: subscription with quantity upsell discount. For example, if you also want to offer a discount for a repeated purchase, I'm going to do that one. And this is where you configure your settings. So let's say ship this product every once a month, twice a month, 3 times a month. I'm just going to stick to one, and you can also change month to weeks, days, etc., however you want. The quantity products that are being sold every month. So if we're shipping this once a month, maybe we want to ship this product, 2 of these products once a month. Maybe we want to ship it once, whatever it is. This is the plan that we have. We can change it if we want, but we don't have to do that. And then we can also offer a discount on this frequency, and we can change that as well. We can change it to, let's say, 20%. And there are also advanced settings over here. We can set up a specific date of the month that we want to charge the customer, but we don't have to do that. It's not necessary. And once we're done with it, we're just going to click done right here and save. There we go. Now this product right here is going to have its plans saved, and you can see it right here in your products. So let's take a look at this demo skincare quiz that I made for us here. Let's just see what it looks like. This is our regular dashboard welcome page with everything: the heading, subheading, layout options, questions right here, different types of questions, etc. This is where our products are. This is where we link them. We click select products if we want to select, and the default is 1 point. It's with the point system. This is our styles and settings section. And this is the most important one for us right now. It's the integrations tab here. This is where you connect with your third-party tools. We'll have our Klaviyo, MailChimp, etc. But what we're looking for is Recharge. And make sure to tick this box in order for your products to show the subscription plans that we created with Recharge. Otherwise, it's not going to work. And you can really just access it in your specific quizzes. Maybe you don't want to show that subscription plan in a different quiz. Then in that case, you wouldn't simply turn this on. And after you're done, just make sure to click save. And then we're going to go to publish. There we go. Let's just see what our quiz looks like after all of this. And there we go. This is our quiz. Let's just quickly take it. And this is what our final result page looks like. We have our subscription plans. Like I showed you, I had one before, and this is what we created right now. We can have one-time purchase, or we can create a subscription for us right here. And if I want to create that subscription, and maybe I want this one is specifically this eye cream, all I have to do is just click subscribe and save, and then I'm going to proceed to cart right here. And then we can see that this says one product every 1 month with a 20% discount. And after our purchase, we will receive this product every once a month. And that is as simple as that. That's how you create a subscription plan with Recomma to help you boost your sales and make things easier for your customers. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. See you next time.